Hey, what's up guys? Matt here, RollingHeavyMagazine. Guess what? We're back. We're back! Yeah guys, we had to take a little time off. We had some personal stuff going on and well, we had to deal with it.
I'm ready to go in, coach. Just give me a chance.
But we were trying to figure out the other day, first video back, what are we gonna do it on? We decided the A100. Now this A100 has been around for a few years, we just haven't had the time or the money to work on it. With the way work's been lately, we really don't have the money. But we got an idea. We're not gonna go around trying to do a GoFundMe like a lot of people do to get their stuff built for free. It's not our style. What we do have is a lot of parts that you guys are always asking, like, where do you find those parts? Where do you get those parts at? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a fundraiser, and I'm deep digging into my personal stash of cool parts. I'm gonna start selling this stuff off at retail value to help fund putting the A100 here back on the road. So I'm sure you're asking now what parts are going up. What do you got? Well, let us see. Well, come on, take a look, take a walk with us. We'll show you what we got. Hey guys, so here's some of the parts we're gonna be letting go in this fundraiser. Check it out. First up, NOS set of Western center caps, brand new in the paper. New on these eBay. These things go for about $200 set plus shipping. Check out the link to check it out. Hastings Mini Tech from the 70s, very cool, untested. I don't know where I got this thing from. Price will be accordingly. These I really like and I don't want to let go of, but I'm not going to use them anytime soon, so let's see what happens. Match set of Dixco Hustler gauges. The one on the right is the temperature, the one on the left is the oil and the amps. Brand new in the box. Check the link for availability and price. Next up, I love my Hooker headers license plate frames, match set. Very cool, man. Again, don't know when I'm going to use them, so let's get them out there and get some money for the A100. Price is on the link. Bodybuilders stay hard longer. Again, NOS license plate frame. Very funny, very cool. I got one of these.
That's funny. Very funny.
Check the link for price and availability. Apologize about the light on this one, guys. If you get any closer, introduce yourself. Very cool old license plate frame from back in the day. Definitely a little bit old and beat up. Price is according. Check it out, the link. This is a match set of built by UDO vans from Los Angeles from back in the day. They come with blue plates. Check the link for price and availability. Next up, Chevy taillight trim, Chevy GMC 71 through 84. Everybody's looking for this stuff. This is one of the cleanest sets I've got. No dings. There was definitely not a spare tire cover on this van. Check them out. They are very clean and crisp. A little polished. They'd be glowing. Check the link for price and availability. Next up, NOS set of high intensity fog light set. Don't know where I got this from, but I'm ready to let it go. Check the link for price and availability. Okay, let's go look at a couple other things. Okay, this is another thing everybody's always looking for. 71 through 77 Chevy van grill. This would be a 71 through 74 because of the blue bow tie. Comes with the headlight trim, comes with the front bumper, comes with the front bumper back brackets. Only bad spot on that bumper is right there. I don't know if you can see that or not. A couple dings, but no big deal. This grill is clean. It is virtually dent free, and it is ready to go. I do not want to ship this. Don't ask. It's going to be too much of a headache to do it. But if you want to come to Los Angeles and get it, I've got a link for price and availability down below. Check it out. Okay guys, so for the sake of my sanity, I'm just going to use these photos of these wheels right now because I already buried these back in storage and I don't want to go dig them out right now. But you get the point with what you see in these pictures. So what we got here is a set of 1510, 15.7 Western turbines, freshly polished. I left the windows raw because I was going to paint match them to the vehicle that I was going to put them on, but things changed, so now it doesn't really matter. They're Chevy Unilug, so 5 on 4 3/4, 5 on 5. Really nice set of mags. It took forever to put these together, but I'm just not going to use them, and we need the money for the A100. So if you're interested, follow the link below, shoot me a message, let me know. Alright guys, so that pretty much sums up the basis of this video. Our goal here is to get the A100 funded. We're not looking for free money from a GoFundMe or anything like that, like so many people try to do. We're literally just going to do a fundraiser and sell off some of the rare parts we've been saving over the years, which you guys are always looking for. So if you see anything down here you like, follow the link below to the Craigslist posting. Message us, let us know what's up. We'll do our best to get it in your hands. Every dollar you spend right now on these parts, or going to the web store and get a Rolling Heavy shirt, Rolling Heavy hat, stickers, whatever, all going towards the A100 right now to get this thing back on the road so we can start making content for you guys with this thing and bring it out to shows so you all can check it out. I think that's it. Again, appreciate you guys so much. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later. See you next time. Goodbye.